Hi there, my name is Tom Clendon and I am an ACCA expert tutor specialising in financial reporting, the FR exam. This video will focus on how to improve your exam technique, which is vital for your success. We're going to look at 3 simple but effective tips to maximise your marks and help you pass. The constructed response questions in section C are expert marked, meaning that the marker is able to use their judgment when to award a mark. Markers are able to apply the own figure rule, meaning that they can award full marks even if the wrong number is used. Let me explain. You can get full marks for doing the right thing to a wrong number that you have just calculated. For example, if a calculation error was made in arriving at profit after tax, but that incorrect number was placed correctly in the statement of changes in equity, full marks could still be awarded for the statement of changes in equity. So my first top tip is show your workings. Don't be one of those students that just type their numbers into the spreadsheet. In the absence of a working, it's impossible for markers to apply the own figure rule. Now, the way you present your answers in section C is so important. Poorer performing students do not use headings and provide continuous text. This makes it difficult for markers to identify the separate points that are trying to be made. Stronger candidates not only use clearly presented workings, but also use headings and write in small paragraphs. So my second top tip is to use headings and to write in small paragraphs. That way there will be a good structure to your answer. It will enable you to identify how many points you've made. For example, if there are 6 marks for analysis, ideally you would provide 6 points. These points can be clearly identified by the marker if you've presented your answer in 6 small paragraphs. Now, moving on. There are several areas of the syllabus that have been identified as ones where some students are technically weak and so often give poor or no answers. It's surprising the number of students who seem unable to deal with the calculation of goodwill correctly. A common error is not discounting the deferred consideration to present value. So my final top tip is to be properly prepared for the exam. Study and revise the whole syllabus. After all, every question in the exam is compulsory. Thank you for watching this brief video. Please share it with your friends who are studying for the FR exam.